Hello, carpet cleaning world. And today we're continuing with the new carpet cleaning world products that we will be selling. So, we just showed you in the last product that we are offering the carpet cleaning world members, which were the swivel stair tools. Now we want to show you the new wand that the carpet cleaning world will be selling. A swivel wand. Well, I'm holding it. I'm sorry. Let me hold this right so I can get everything flowing. Okay, well, you guys can't see it. Let me try to show you this. There you go. Nice swivel wand. Okay. Heavy duty 4-jet Dang Pro wand that if you've been seeing us in the last feature videos I've been doing, this little baby in action. This thing is really nice. And it's really I've used a lot of tools. I've used a lot of wands. And this right here is really just something that you would enjoy. But then on top of that, it's customizable. Look at this powder coating, green, to represent my company, which is named BioClean. This is a 4-jet 2-inch wand that swivels. Also, it has a lock on it so it can lock in place. So if you don't want it to swivel, you just put it right here and you can lock it. So then it locks right here where my finger is. This is really nice, and it's really a state-of-the-art, well-placed, put-together wand. Now, if you're concerned about the jets clogging up or anything like that, I spoke to the owner of Wander's Products. He sells a Dang Pro jet cleaning set kit that you can purchase for him for only a couple bucks. So you never have to worry about the jets getting clogged up on a job site. But guys and ladies, this is the truth. This is only $1,200. I believe if you're a CCW member, this is the cheapest place that you would be able to obtain this wand. Now, if you want it customizable so you can get it branded to your company colors, which I recommend. As you see, I got this one branded to my company colors, and it really just stands out. And then on the front here, you can see where it says Dang Pro. I have my label coming, and you can we'll brand it and put your company name. So while your customers are watching you do nothing but clean that carpet, sliding this powerful tool back and forth over the carpet, they're not saying Dang Pro. Your customers don't care about Dang Pro, but you do want them to care about you. So you can get your label put right in there where it says Dang Pro with your to add to your company colors. So that's customizable. That's not included in the $1,200, but it's not going to make you broke. But you definitely want to think about that. Then I set up a deal with Wander Products, which you see me advertise on the site quite a bit, where you don't stop there. You get the hoses to match the color of your wand, and that will set you apart from all your other competition. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the little things does matter. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to think about this, you can give us a call, and I'll put the number right here. Sorry, the phone was just ringing. Somebody's calling in already. That's the phone number right there, so we can place your order. I think it's about $125 for shipping, and that would complete it. Now, if you do want it customizable, depending on the color that you want and your logo and things like that, that's a little bit more. When you give us a call, you can let us know if you want it customizable, just like this one is right here. and we'll get it customized for you. Man, if you guys haven't seen this baby in action, you need to scroll down a little bit. I have a couple videos where I cleaned a daycare center and a diner, and I even had a good friend of mine, neighboring carpet cleaner, Superior Cleaning Solutions, David Beto, come out to the diner and let him try it so you could see it wasn't me speaking for myself. You actually got to hear what he had to say about it. So, if you guys are interested, give us a call. That's the phone number. And let's do business. All right. And don't forget to check out the swivel stair tools that we're offering. Also, if you're a member of the CCW, we're going to start having specials for the Soap Daddy cleaning line products. If you've not heard of Soap Daddy, you'll be watching me over the next couple weeks advertise that line and you'll get a percentage off. I don't know if it's 10% or whatever the percentage is yet. We'll have to wait till the management of Soap Daddy puts it together and lets us know what he's going to do for the carpet cleaning world. And I also believe we'll have Bonnet Pro. If you guys are very low moisture or commercial cleaners that need bonnets and like the Bonnet Pro system and the pads and the cleaning agents, we'll also have some of them. All right. Okay. I don't know what the comments are. This one, we will explain to you how to maintain it. What we like about this wand, I want to make it clear because I'm just eyeballing some of the comments. This seal right here on the swivel, right here, the seal. This is a seal in here. All tools are going to need to be maintained, from my understanding. But with this particular swivel, the seal inside is replaceable. So if you're thinking about its known competitor that everyone's ripping and raving about, that is also an awesome tool. But once it wears out, it's gone. It's gone. You can't replace that seal. So if you're trying to get the longest last out of your tool and not the amount of money, yes, this is cheaper, but that's not what I'm talking about. If you're trying to get the longest last out of it, then this would be your option. This would be your choice. Because if this seal, and all swivel seals wear out, when it wears out, this one's replaceable. You will be able to replace it. And if for some reason you did have a problem with it, I spoke with the manufacturer. He's guaranteeing and backing his product. So you won't have to worry about that. But that's all I can say on it. I don't make the tool, but I'm using the tool. I've taken videos with this tool. I've even brought in another carpet cleaner from a whole nother company to test out the tool. He has nothing invested in this. He came out on his own to test it out, to give you his honest opinion. And you heard what he had to say. So needless to say, guys, if someone has another tool, of course they're going to, that's where their investment is. So they want to believe in that. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I have this tool and you've seen it. I've also had another cleaner demonstrate with it. And this is a good tool. This is a very good tool. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, $1,200 plus shipping. If you want it branded with the pole colored here, like mine is, to your specifications, you can give us a call. If you want to have it logoed, you can let us know what your logo is and send that to us, and we can do that as well. But for the standard tool, just the standard tool, it's $1,200 plus shipping if you're a member of the CCW. Okay, thank you. So you have two options now. Our first two products, that we'll be selling right here in the carpet cleaning world. We have this new Dang Pro 3 2-inch 4-jet swivel one. And we also have the I'm sorry. This pole is the 2-inch. If you want the 1.5-inch, we also have this in the 1.5-inch. That still can be colored to your design and to your specifications. We also have this in the 1.5-inch as well, just to let you know. Okay, just like we have the 2 swivel tools, the swivel stair tools. We have the 1.5-inch and the 2-inch. All right. So give us a call. Let us know when you're ready. Remember, springtime is no longer coming. It's here. Get ready for the season now. All right. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one.